Also gets counter-attacks going with his accurate long passes. The opposition should be a little wary of committing too many men forward to attack, because if it does break down, this guy can get them in trouble pretty quickly.
He would be the obvious choice, wouldn't he? He certainly has all the right qualities. Out of play for a throw. Darren Fletcher, Adams, Saliba, Robertson, Vinicius Junior, in by Vinicius Junior, he's going for... Spread it left. Paris Saint-Germain are enjoying the lion's share of possession. And now a sudden chance to counter. Raul, Vitinha, Adams. Vitinha plays the game a step ahead of almost anyone. So still we are where we began. It's 0-0. Really well to win the ball there. Robertson. Shin to shin, bicep to bicep, and he wins out. It's 0-0. How do you look back on the first 45 minutes?
Yeah, and despite the scoreline, it's clear who the better side is when it comes to chances. If this is the trend that's going to continue, then there's only going to be one winner here, and I don't think it's going to take too much improvement for it to happen.
Well, after 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change perhaps after half-time. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little. Vitinha!
An incentive met. Now they've got to take it on another level.
Darren Fletcher. So the team separated just by the one goal, which came early in the second period. And the score is 1-0.
The time remaining, he might have a tough call to make now.
Saliba. Howson. Raul. Howson. Vinicius Junior. Howson. Saliba. Looking for the runner. Vinicius Junior gets into some space.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Robertson. This is promising. It's a really well measured ball. Batistuta.